How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are finally doing the first mod on the Lexus in today's video. Nothing too crazy, but just to get some of the modifications started, we're going with a little small thing. In today's video, we're going to be replacing those rear fog lights right there with some LED ones. I have been sent these by Auxbeam. I contacted them and they graciously sent out these LED lights for the bottom two fog lamps. If you guys aren't following the TikTok, I wrapped both sides of this yellow. That side is a little worse, but did a decent job on this side. But now we are going to be installing the actual light itself to be LED, because these top ones are LEDs. Even if we do eventually end up swapping these for the new ones, they're still going to be LEDs, while these are just yellow lights. If you guys are looking to do this to your Lexus, or you're honestly looking for any type of LEDs, go check out Auxbeam. And big thank you to them for sending this out, like I said before. So click on the link in the description if you guys are interested. But let's get into unboxing. Alright, so let's just slide this out like so. And then as you can see, we have the lights. So these are the new LEDs. So let's first of all take out the old ones and then compare with the old ones and the new ones and show you how to take and remove them. It's pretty simple and straightforward though. First thing is first, let's start the car up and turn the wheel all the way to the side. So if you're working on the right side, you want to turn the wheel all the way to the left and simply turn the car off. What this is going to do is allow us to get to these two clips right here. We're going to unscrew them and then we'll be able to pull this back so we can access the fog light. Alright, so there's these two pins here, as well as there's a 10mm bolt right here. So I'm going to take the bolt out and then take these two out, and then we should have the housing exposed. These two clips come out like that, and then there's a 10mm that goes from underneath, and then you can just peel this back and then the light becomes exposed right there. Let me see if I can get a better view of it. Right inside of here, I should have worn gloves, but right inside of there, there's the housing, and there's this brown part with the connector. All you have to do is turn it counterclockwise, just like this. You pull up, and then it comes out right now, just like that, and we have it all out. Alright, so here's the difference between the new one and the old one. So the new one is a little bit different. You can order the very same style, but unfortunately, when I was talking to them, I ended up with a different style. But if you look here, the same clip goes into here, and then simply you just have to turn this piece, so you'll have the wire kind of a little bit hanging, but it's not like you're ever going to see it. So all you have to do is twist and turn it like that, and it should be in. So let's do that real quick and see how it looks and if it works. To install it, all you're going to do is just clip it back in. There's a positive and negative version here. You just match them up and then make sure you hear the click. So the old light is out and the new LED is in. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm not sure how much you guys are gonna see it. I do have the tints over it as well. Before, it was a very yellow light. If you guys are wondering how to turn them on and off, if you have the lights on, you flick it up and that's how you turn them on. That's a huge difference. If you look here, this is the new one, and then that's the old one. I'm gonna peel back this one, this tint here, because I didn't do a very good job, and I'll show it with and without the tint. So that's the normal light. The motor's being a little loud because it's cold, on cold startup still. That's the normal light, and then as you can see, this is a very white light on top. So it doesn't look very good when you compare them. So I'm gonna repeat the same process on this side, very straightforward. If you guys are just looking at it from here, you can see that is so much more white than that one is, even with the tint on. The hardest part of this process is probably wrestling to get these back in, but it took me a better part of 45 seconds. The whole install, if I wasn't recording, would probably take me under 5 minutes to do, but let's go switch out the other side. Here's before, and here is the after. So it's been about 2 weeks since I actually put the first one in and put the second one in. When I was about to put the second one in, I went back inside and then never finished it, and then I got really sick. I haven't made a video in quite a long time. Beginning of October, I made a couple videos on the Mustang. I still haven't uploaded those, and it's what, the 23rd today? And now I'm finally getting back, uploading the videos that I haven't uploaded, and then I'm actually holding off on a couple of videos with the Mustang until I get a little bit of work done on it next week, and then I'm going to introduce the V2 of the Mustang. And then I'll drop the videos of me installing the parts. Of the version 2, I have 3 or 4 videos that need to go up. So version 2 of the Mustang is coming very soon. But getting back to the topic, I think these lights look so much better. I mean, they were like yellow before, and now they match the top and the bottom. So major upgrade. I'm gonna tint the lights back. I don't know, I might untint the lights because they look pretty good, but I think I'll slap some tint on for now. Eventually I'll probably take off the yellow tint, but I think it looks good, a little bit of a contrast, especially when the new wheels are gonna go on. The new wheels are actually here. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen them. I think I like them on TikTok as well, but the new wheels should be going on in the next week or so here. So a lot going on. New wheels on the Lexus. I got tints on the Lexus. If you guys haven't seen these, I need to get the rear tinted because the tint just didn't come out right. The Mustang's getting wrapped, so gave you guys a little hint on that. But that's all I have for this video. Make sure you guys check out the lights in the link in the description down below. They're really high quality. I'm actually impressed with how good they look over the stock lights. I'm gonna turn the lights off real quick so don't kill the battery, but click the link in the description down below. Go check out the lights if you need them for yourself, if you need them for any car. But that's all I have for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.